Yeah, this angle is a 90. But then you have these two lines which draw closer. So at the end it's going to be a degree of 0, right? And here it's going to be something between a 90 and a 0. Go ahead. Quiet, please. Please, quiet. Absolute quiet. Go ahead.
למה 90 מעלות זה בין זה לאלכסון ולא בין זה לישר?
אני לא מבין. A, B, C, D, E. Talk to me with letters. F.
אוקיי. למה 90 מעלות זה A, B to B, D ולא A, B to B, F?
It is. Both of them were 90 degrees. That's exactly the point. Think about it. AB to BF, let's assume that this is AB to BF, right? Let's assume that this is 90, right? This is 90, right? But then you have, this is 90, it's still 90, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is BF, right? BD is the same, it's on the same plane, it's like this, right? Instead of going up, it's going diagonally. But it's still 90, you see, I didn't change the angle. Got it? I know it's difficult, but yeah. Doable. Moving on, please. Question number 6. I'm sorry? Question number 6. I want you guys to try to solve it at home. Question number 7. Question number 7. A metal cube with a side of 9 inches can symmetrically expand and contract. What is contract? להתכווץ. Shrink, exactly. Expand זה להתרחב, to contract זה להתכווץ. So you have a cube, right? And that cube has a side or an edge. Please remember that they sometimes use the word side, sometimes they use the word edge. It's the same exact thing. It's the same exact thing. It's awkward because usually I think that the word edge is more accurate. And today we saw a question with the ant, right? That the ant was walking along the edges, which is also slightly more accurate. But sometimes they use the word side as well. So you have a side of 9, and that side can either expand or contract by 1 inch.
Okay.
So the question is, what is the greatest difference between the cube's various possible volumes? במינוח היום שואלים אותך, אחרות שואלים אותך, מה הפער הגדול ביותר בין הנפח הכי גדול והנפח הכי קטן? תודה רבה, נכון. If it grows, if it expands by 1, it's going to be 10. If it contracts by 1, it's going to be a side of 8, right? But it's symmetrical. נכון, היא עושה את זה בצורה סימטרית, בצורה פרופורציונלית. Here the volume is going to be 10 to the power of 3. Here the volume is going to be 8 to the power of 3. I haven't, you see, here if you use a calculator, I'm going to be perfectly fine with it. But with the previous question, I wanted you to know the technique, you know, with which to work. So that's going to be 4, 8, 8. כמה זה 8 ב-3 מישהו זוכר?
6.
לא, 4.
לא.
516.
כן, 512. Why? Because 8 to the power of 3 is like 2 to the 3 to the power of 3, right? Which is like 2 to the 9. How much is 2 to the 9? 512. Why? Because we know that 2 to the 10 is 1024.
ככה אני זוכרת את זה באמת. 11 בריבוע זה מה שאני זוכרת.
כן, אבל 2 זה לפני 11, היית צריכה.
אבל זה בשלישית.
מה?
כאילו זה 8 בשלישית.
כן, אבל את צודקת, נכון? אבל שזה כמו 2 בשיט. Moving on, please. 488, הקפתי, אני מבקש לשים לב, הקפתי את התשובה הנכונה.
לא, זה לא יקרה.
אני יודע.
Pay attention.
Listen, at home, I want you guys to solve this. This is the hardest question here. זו שאלה כנראה אחת הכי קשות במהלך הקורס, בסדר? אני רוצה שתנסו לשבור על הראש בבית, בסדר? בואו נעשה כרגע הפסקונת. בעצם מתי התחלנו לעבוד? לפני 40 דקות? מתי? רבע ל? אוקיי. 10 ל?
עוד השמות?
Yeah, so no, so we can, yeah,